In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a Catalina installer using terminal. You're going to want to get yourself an 8GB or more USB stick, and if you have any data on there that you need, I advise you to back it up. Okay, so the first thing you're going to want to do is navigate to your applications folder. In there, you're going to want to find your Catalina installer. Click that and right click and go to show package contents, open contents, go into resources, and there you will find create install media. Do not do anything with this just yet. You drop that down. Next, you're going to want to open up terminal. Once you're here, type in sudo, then space. Now go back to your applications and drag across create install media. After this, you're going to want to type in --volume, then space. Locate on your desktop the USB drive that you wish to use and then drag it across. Once you've done that, hit return. You'll be prompted for your password, and you're going to want to hit return again. You'll be now prompted to type in yes if you wish to continue, which we do, so we're going to type Y and return again. It will now erase the disk and start installing Catalina. Do bear in mind that this will take a while. I'm not going to sit here throughout the whole process, but I'll be back once it's done. Okay, I'm back. It's finished creating the installer. So let's check the USB. As you can see, it's inside the USB. So you're now ready to boot up from the USB and install Catalina. In the next video, I will show you how to create an installer using this MacOS. But personally speaking, I think that the terminal option is the easiest and it's definitely the fastest.